Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to keep your simple account secure in 2025. It's going to be a quick one, and I'm just going to give you guys a couple of step-by-step guides on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. The first thing you can do is to use a strong password. So you want to make sure that you use a strong password for your simple accounts. That's going to help you to keep it a lot more secure. If it's a password that you can't easily guess, that will make your accounts a lot more secure. So be sure to choose a password that is unique and extremely difficult to guess. Next, you can also enable two-factor authentication. So enabling two-factor authentication is going to add an extra layer of security to your account. So you want to set that up, and it's going to boost your security. Next, you can monitor your account activity. So don't just rely on the other two methods, the other two things. You can also just be sure to monitor your account activities regularly. Check your transactions and balances regularly, and that's going to help you to detect any suspicious activities. You can also just ensure to keep your account information up to date. Make sure that your account information, such as your address and your phone number, is accurate and up to date. Whenever it is you decide to change something, be sure to come on to Simple and update that. And all these methods are going to help you to keep your account a lot more secure. That's pretty much it on the video. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.